Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to add a search bar in Wix. So first is you have to select the site that you want to add a search bar. Then after that, now that you're here, you just have to click on the add elements icon right here at the left side of your screen. And then using the search bar, you just have to type out search. Okay, so you type out search right here and then just click on enter. Then after that, you'll be able to see a bunch of options right here. So you just have to select the site search and then you'd be able to see different template that you can use. So see, for example, I am going to use this template. So you just have to select it and it will appear on your page. So right here, you just have to drag this out and then place it anywhere you want. Okay, so when you click on it, you'll be able to see the manage search results. So you just have to click on it, manage all of the search results. So right here, you'd be prompted to these options right here. So you just have to click on the manage settings. So here in the show and search, you have the products and other pages. If you don't want this appears, you just have to toggle the switch off. Okay, and then when you go to the display, you'll be able to see here options that you can edit as well. And go to the layout, you can choose what kind of layout do you want. And here in the design section, you'd be able to design your search bar. So you can change the color, you can change the background of it, and you can go to the search menu as well, and you can edit it. And for the search result and buttons, so here in the buttons, you can change the default color of the buttons if you want to. Then back here on the page, you just have to click on the search again and then click on the design button, and then you'd be able to customize your design. So just click on it here, the fill color and opacity. You can click on it and then change the color of it. And then you go to the background, to the icon, you can change the color of this as well. So if you want to redesign or re-edit the default design of the search bar template, so you can do that. Okay, so after that, you just have to publish your website and then visit your website to see if the search bar works. So just click on the view site option and then you'd be redirected to your website. So after that, you just have to use the search bar to test it. So you just click on the search bar at the top and then search for specific words or specific thing that you want to know about the website. For example, I am going to search for the about page. So here you'd be able to see the about section. So when you click on it, you'd be redirected to the about page. Okay, so that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.